Hey guys, it's Kikyo. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to show you guys the boxes. One of these is from GRL, which is a popular Japanese brand, and another one is from Korean called StyleNanda 3CE. So it's really been a while since I've got these two boxes, and I didn't make any videos because I was struggling with my homework and preparing for my university applications. So yeah, I was really busy before. Now I think I have more time for working on my YouTube videos better. So let's get started. Hey, you like in the check, don't it? VVS, don't it? She like. So the first thing I got is this little cute top. I got the small size, by the way, and it fits me really well. It's really cute. I think sky blue is the best color for summer, but it's winter right now actually, but no worries, I keep it till next summer. Yeah, it's just like this. Then I got another summer stuff, a cute shirt. It's dark red, I guess. Seriously, I really like dark red. I don't know, it's just in my skin color so well. And if you want yourself look more mature, steady person, try some dark red, trust me. Also, it's a two-way shirt, which means you can wear it in maybe this way or this way. Alright, next I got this white sweater, and it can keep you warm all the day. I think white is really easy to go together with any color. I don't know, it's just so nice for winter. It's really soft. It's like, I like it. And I also bought this yellow sweater with two ribbons. I wanted to buy the black one, honestly, but they just have this one left, so I got the yellow one. But yellow is also so nice, because I don't really have yellow tops. I only got, I think, about 2 or 3, so maybe I should get more. Looks so nice. So the last one is a beige cap. It says Jimmy. Yeah, I'll try it. The back is red and black. I'll try it. It's free size. It's just like, I don't know. I just look like a K-pop star. A K-pop star! Oh my god, it's cute, right? I like it. I like this color. Looks so nice. Alright, that's it. That's all of the GRL box. Next, let's open this one. I've bought some StyleNanda stuff before. I think it's a really nice brand. And we're gonna open it. Yeah. Ooh, this is what I bought. It's not so many stuff. So I guess this is the. It's Korean. I don't read Korean. So we're gonna open this. The first one is the EYELASH number 11. The reason why I bought it is because I think Korean lashes is more natural than Japanese lashes. I don't know why. It's just like your own lashes. Alright, that's it. And it looks like this. Also, I got an eyelash color. I just feel black eyelash color is so dope, so just want to get one. I'm gonna open it. So cute. I'm gonna try this right now. Do you see the difference? That's just different. So cool.
1 hour later.
Next, I got this cute package mascara. I like this one. It's black, by the way. They got black and brown color, so it's just like this. I'm not gonna try today, but I'll show you guys in next video, maybe in some makeup videos. So cute. I got 2 lipsticks. No! So the first one I got is this cream lip pencil. So the color is orange, I guess. I'll try it someday. It looks really nice. Orange pinky stuff. And this one called Murring, I don't know how to read it. Murring Murder. It's a lip Korean. I just feel like I forgot one thing. It's the Baby Glow Cushion #1. I just forgot it. So it's a BB cushion. Package is really cute. Little cute stuff. So the BB cushion I always use is a brand called Sowasu, and I want to try some other brand, so I just bought it. #1. The last one is nail lacquer. The number is BL01, which is like green blue summer color. I don't know why I just bought so many summer stuff. It's winter though. Wait. The color is really different. It's like blue. It's like sky blue. I hate it. So that's the StyleNanda box. This is all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.